This is what the Eagle Claw pack of fish hooks, sinkers, and leaders broke down into. This is how I set them up. And for carry, what it is I'll take all the hooks, I'll break them down, separate the hooks, and then I run a line through them with an overhand knot, pull the hooks up, the hook ends up into a piece of tubing, and run the line up through, pull everything tight, and then wrap the line around, secure it, shove a few lead sinkers in there, and one with the over the line, not crimped, just over the line, push down through tight to where everything holds together. Then you can put this into whatever you like to carry. Everything's secured. It's not hooking on everything. It's not tearing anything up. You can even carry these in your pocket, although I'd be a bit careful because if one pops out, that's not, taking fish hooks out isn't any form of fun whatsoever, especially out from under a nail or something like that. But these are fairly easy to make. The only thing you have to watch out for in those packs are bad hooks, and you'll get a couple, usually in each one. And this one, as you can see, the eye isn't very good. Let's see if we can clear that up. The eye isn't very good, but I'd still use this. Just wrap the line down the shaft so it won't pull off the end, and tie it. And that would probably be my first hook to go. Throw these in the bottom of whatever kit, or don't use them at all, because God makes sinkers and floats that you can use anywhere. This is the sort of thing that you can do to fill out a kit that is inexpensive. It's a little labor intensive and fun on your part, but if you like doing stuff like this, it's easy, it's cheap, and it'll fill out your kit nicely.